How to create mounting hole in Allegro. So just open pad editor, select mounting hole, select default pad geometry. Since we are creating mounting hole, sometimes what happens, we use pad, sometimes we don't use pad. In non-plated hole, mostly we don't use any pad, and in plated hole mostly we use. Sometimes we need to connect the mounting hole with any signal like ground, like earth. So then only we use plated or mounting hole with pad. So currently I'm going to create a mounting hole without any pad and non-plated hole. So just select your units and select here your mounting hole size, non-plated, no secondary rail, till symbol we can avoid it, till offset doesn't require since we are not going to use offset. In regular pad size, usually we keep less than, always we keep less than the whole size. The whole size is 3.2, so 1 mm, 1.0, just keeping one. Oh, that's enough. Circle 1.0, that's enough. Okay, internal layer also you can do the same. Usually we keep internal when we are using multiple layer, more than 2 layers. Here we can avoid thermal and anti-pad. We can keep out area here, just circle. Keep out area should be more than mounting hole so that enough space we can get to avoid any copper area. So I'm going to use 4.2 mm for outer layers. Okay, even for inner layer also you can utilize the same thing, but since no pad in inner layer, so there won't be any connection. It's not an issue. So just keep outer area like this only so that you can avoid if let's keep this one also. Okay, this is the keep out area. Okay, now your mounting hole is completed. Just give a name, C420, that is 4.2, NHC100 it should be, NH non-hole 420. This one is enough. Just save it. Now your mounting hole is created.